You never get a second chance to make a first impression. And, obviously, the nature of my work, I am into making people's smiles as good as they can be. If appearance wasn't important, why would people own a comb? Why would people brush their teeth? And if you think about it, if you were to go for a bank loan, or if you're about to go on a date, one of the things you do is you comb your hair and you brush your teeth. And think about this. When you brush, what do you do after you brush? You smile in the mirror and look and see if you did a good job. Because you wouldn't want to go for the bank loan and think, oh my gosh, I might have a piece of spinach caught in my teeth, right? Because it's not the best first impression. And I think it's important. Your smile is your signature. People identify you by your smile. Whatever you're wearing, that outfit, it may be a nice outfit, but you carry your smile with you. It is getting more competitive in the job market or in the world overall. And, it's not 1950 anymore. You don't have to have silver fillings in your smile line. You don't have to have a crown that has a line at the gum line. The technology is here. It's pretty exciting for us to have before and after pictures of people that, tell us time and again, I'm so glad I did that. And it's really rewarding and it's fun for us.